Okay, so I'm going to put my primer on first by Candy. It's sensitive primer. I did a video on it before, so I put like a quarter size, and I just dab it like this, and then I take it like this, and I just put it all on my face and make sure I get all of the stuff, because I really makeup primer is supposed to keep the makeup on your face for a long time. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. So sorry, I keep knocking. So get all, especially on my nose. So I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna take this LA Color Truly Matte Long Lasting Foundation, and I'm gonna put some on my brush. Oh, I might have to open a new one. Yeah. So I'm gonna open this one. It's the same one. I usually get them at Walmart or Winco. And I just pump it on there. A few squirts. And just like that. Then go like this. Look. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. And I brush it in. If I look up, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. Make sure that I get it all the way rubbed in. Because I want to make sure that my face is coated. So this is going to be a really pretty look for New Year's Eve if you're going out with friends or family, to a family's house or a friend's house. So make sure that it's all in. See how it's, then I'm gonna let it dry a little bit before I put the next one on. If you hear talking in the background, it's my family's talking. My grandma's here from California, so she's talking to my dad. So that is the second step. So now I'm going to put this powdered foundation by Wet n Wild. This was also, oh no, this is LA Colors, sorry. This is by Wet n Wild too. That's one of the steps. So I'm pretty excited for this coming year because I have videos coming up. So if you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, you will see the upcoming videos that I'm so excited about doing after the holidays, even though I like doing this. So, and then I add, sorry, I was looking in the mirror. It's really hard not to look in the mirror. So that's the third step. Now I'm going to use this LA powder press. It usually comes with a little pad thing, but I use my contour brush because, or my foundation brush, because I find it easier. So I'll just do the same thing. So I gotta do that one, blend it in. Now pick the liquid foundation. I do this one in between because I feel that it lasts longer on my face. Put that in. If you guys have any New Year's Eve plans, I would love to know, so comment down below and tell me what you're doing to ring in the new year. So that's one of the steps, I think the 5th step. So now I'm going to take another one of these, this pressed powder by LA Colors Miracle, and I'm going to put this on my face. Sorry, I was looking up in the mirror. Okay, now I'm putting this bronzer on my face because I don't know if you can tell, but my skin is a little yellow. I can't even talk right. A little yellow from the powder, so and this blends it more in. So sorry, I was looking in the mirror. Gotta make sure that I have it up on me, all up on my face. So now for the last one, I'm gonna use this rose gold powdered foundation. It's by Heart Candy. I've done a tutorial review on it, but I'm gonna do another one. So I'm in love with this one. It's my favorite, like I said before. So that is the last step of the foundation primer process. So it's on to the next step, which is the eyeshadow. Okay, for the first step of the NYC look, I am doing this Wet n Wild, like pale pink browns. So I love this little thing. I picked it up the first time at Winco. So I start with the white, as you can see right there. I'm pointing to it. I just put it on my eye. There. And then this tan right here, up here. And then, yeah. And then this dark brown. And so now I'm going to take this by Wet n Wild again and use this like tan color right here. That's my excuse me. Sorry, so looking up in the mirror. Then I'm going to use this purple. I don't know if you can see this purple. Sorry, right here. Kind of like a purplish pink a little bit. And then I'm going to put it on this side. So it's all the way down. And then I'm going to use this like burgundy red color. I'm just going to eyelid. Same thing on this side. Sorry, I was looking up in the mirror. So, and now I'm going to take this purple one from LA Colors. The metal thing, plastic thing broke off, but it still works. I'm going to take a little bit of that, put it on my eye. See how it's coming together? Now I'm going to use this pink one like I've showed you before in previous videos, but LA Colors. I'm going to take this pink right here. I don't know if you can see it. First, I'm going to that. I'm doing a softer one. I did mocha browns before, and I tried this look, and it worked out really well, but I am in love with pinks, and pink shows up really well with my skin tone, but I can't even talk right. So now I'm going to take this pink one, and I'm going to put it like this. And then this little pink one and this shimmery one. Okay, now I'm on to part. So I'm going to use this shimmery part upside down by Wet n Wild. This stuff, the first time I used it, I used my finger. I advise you not to do that. So I'm using this brush because it's very sticky. I'm just going to add some glue. If I look up, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. So. I don't know if you can see the sparkles, but it's coming together and it's really pretty. Almost running out of this stuff, but I got some more. Oh, my hair is in the way. Sometimes I go like this with the brush up and down. Sometimes I go over like that. Just depends. Add a little bit more. So, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little bit of sparkle on there. It's perfect for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. So, I am going to do the last step, which is put mascara on. So I will put my mascara on, and I will be back to show you the end result. So I decided to show you guys this part instead of just coming back. So I'm just putting my mascara on. This is by NYC. I'm in love with it. I can't find it anywhere. So if you guys can help me out and tell me where I can find this NYC Showtime. I would gladly appreciate it if you guys can put links down below where you can get it. That would be great. So I just, up. And by the way, these are my real eyelashes. Like, I don't curl them or do anything with them. I just put mascara on them. So now I do this side. Makeup on my eye. So I'm gonna put oh, it's going away. I don't know if you could see that, but that's how I put my mascara on. So I am going to fix it up a little bit more. And then I'm just going to put a Q-tip around it, and then I will come back and show you the end result this time. So this is the end result of the New Year's Eve look. I don't know if you can tell, but I do have shimmer on my eyes, if you can see that right there. This is a must-do-go look for me. I've been doing it for a couple of days, and I'm in love with it, even if it isn't New Year's Eve. But this is a New Year's Eve look, and I wanted to do it. Also, I will insert all of the products that I used. And thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and Happy New Year.